Hey everybody, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style, and today I'm super excited because I just got my Scentsy club, and those of you who follow me know that I lost a lot of my favorite bars last month, so I was so bummed. I ended up, my card didn't go through because I bought a puppy, a Frenchie, spent more money than I had, and I went on vacation for like a week, paid for the vacation, took time off work. So yeah, I lost a bunch of my favorite stuff, but no worries because I found more stuff to put in my club that I just love, and I'm going to actually add to it because I've fallen in love with another scent, which I will tell you about in a second. So I did get to keep a couple of my bars, which is awesome because I would be so sad. I would be so sad if I lost these. My favorite one is Shut Eye. It's from the Counting Z's collection. I wish they would put this in the catalog. Oh my gosh, it is so good. It's the absolute perfect bedroom scent. I have three favorites for my bedroom. It's Shut Eye, Woolly Slippers, and Fuzzy Blanket. And those are amazing. They're all kind of like the same thing. Oh, and Jammy Time. Okay, so I did get to keep these. Yay. And then another thing, I get 4 of these because I love this for my living room. I get 4 bars every single month, and I go through them, of toasted marshmallow. Toasted marshmallow. Oh my gosh, it's so good. They sometimes bring it back in little collections. Last year, they brought it back for Easter. You guys, if they do, put this in your club. I swear you will not regret it. So I got 4 bars of that. Now, the other bars are my new favorites from the Bring Back My Bar collection, which you can still get and you can still put it in your club. So let's go through that. And these are all bedroom scents except for one scent. All right, so Coconut Cotton is my new go-to must-have in my bathroom. This is what my bathroom's going to be smelling like until the fall. Coconut Cotton, it's so good. So I put 2 of these in there. I may put a third, so we'll see when I redo my my club. Then I got 2 of these. They're sugar. I love it. I actually, in my bedroom, what I have going on right now, I have 2 warmers that are really bright that I turn off at night, and they're on one dresser. And then I have 2 warmers that are both, well, one has light, the other one's an element, and they are on another table. So that table I have, was it Fuzzy Blank? No, Woolly Slippers is in that. And then I put sugar in the other 2. It's so good. Such a good blend. Oh my gosh, so good. Okay. Then another one for my bedroom. I got Pink Haze. Oh my gosh. Pink Haze is the business for the bedroom. Perfect. The next one I got is Boho, which I love. Oh, such a good bedroom scent. So that's for my room. Then I got Shimmer. Shimmer, you guys, is just so good. And these are all scents from the collection that you can get now from Bring Back My Bar. You guys, these are so good. These are like girly, feminine, just cozy scents. Then every month, like clockwork, I get my cotton cleanups. I gotta have my cotton cleanups because that is the best way to clean your wax. So when you want to change your wax, that's the way to go. Well, because I hit $60 and there's all these perks of Scentsy Club, I also got my whiff box. Now, remember to check out my other video on Scentsy Club. We're having updates. I'm going to be making even another one because we got more information. And there's going to be so many perks, you guys, to Scentsy Club. You're going to be able to get your own little like shareable link. And when people order from that link, you're going to collect like points. And those points can be used in your Scentsy Club, and they can also be used to order from my website. So that's amazing. Now, the whiff box, I am not going to open this right now because I'm going to do another video, an unboxing video, especially for the whiff box. Now, I already know what's in it because I watched, who was it? Lisa Roberry's. I watched her whiff box unboxing, so I already know what's in it, but it's fabulous. So I'm going to be opening that next. So be on the lookout for more videos, you guys. My scent and warmer of the, actually, I just got the scent of the month this time. That should be coming, I think today. I think it's supposed to be coming from, this came from UPS, and I think that comes from On Track. So hopefully it'll be here before I go to work because I'm super excited to smell the scent. All right, you guys, I hope you're having a great day. Remember, you still have time for the 10% off, okay, to the end of the month. This is the time to grab these deals. And, oh, and here's the tip. Our mini warmers are going up to $25 because of inflation. It's like not Scentsy's fault. Like they can't like lose money on stuff. They got to be able to make some money. So they had to raise the price, which they hate doing, on mini warmers. So it's going from 20 to 25. But because right now everything's 10% off, you can get your mini warmers at $18. That's a $7 savings. If you wait, buy the same darn warmer on February 1st, you're going to pay $7 more. You guys get it now. Anyways, I hope you're having a great day. Please like, subscribe, follow me everywhere. I always answer if you guys message me, and I always comment back because I love to hear from you. And I hope you're having a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.